Hey, good morning, everyone. Today we're making a quick breakfast, and it's a nice, easy breakfast with breakfast potatoes. A lot of people also call them home fries, and we have some sausages over here. And what I'm doing right now is I'm going to be cutting some bell pepper because I like to add that to the breakfast potatoes. And I also have a little bit of onion over here. And we're not going to add much, but we will be adding the bell pepper and the onions also to the sausages. So I'm just going to boil them for a bit to soften them up. And then I'm going to fry the sausage for a little, let them cook a little bit longer. And then I'm going to be adding the onions and the bell pepper. Okay, so we've got some onions right here. Some peppers. We're going to cut up some onions, maybe a little bit of garlic, I'm not sure. We're also going to be using some seasonings, so you can use whatever seasonings you have in your cabinet, whatever it is that you like to add to your potatoes, your food to season it. Okay, it could be garlic powder, it could be powdered onion, paprika, ground pepper, okay, whatever it is that you like to use, okay, that's fine. Season it to your taste. So again, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome. Nice to have you here. We're just making a quick little breakfast, okay, and as soon as we've got the potatoes softened up and the sausages cooked, we'll be back. Okay guys, we're back. So now we're going to saute our onions and green pepper just for a bit. Okay, so this is going to be the pan for the potatoes, and this will be the pan for the sausages. Okay, so I know a lot of people, and I do too. I like to add an egg or two scrambled to the home fries or the breakfast potatoes. I'm not gonna do that today, but normally that's what I do. But since I'm just trying to make a quick, fast breakfast, I'm gonna omit the egg today. Alright, so we've got the sausages are drained. We're gonna add them to the one steak that's there. Let's see if I can get it. Ooh. Alright. There we go. Okay, and then we're just gonna let everything brown together. We're going to lower the heat a little. I think this might be a little high too. Okay, we're going to add our potatoes, which we've also drained. Now the potatoes we're going to add seasonings to. And again, like I said earlier, you can add whatever seasonings you want to add to the potatoes, any seasonings that you like. So what we did, we just let the potatoes cook until they were cooked all the way through. Okay, so I've got a little bit of oregano that I want to add to that. Okay, just a sprinkle. bit of a paprika and this is just for color. And I like to add a little bit of curry for flavor. I like the depth of the curry flavor that it gives food. Okay, at this point, if you like, or maybe a little bit later on after the potatoes fry a little bit, you can add a little bit of cheese on top. Okay, so I'm just going to add a little bit more oil so you can fry a bit. Okay, this I might have to put the heat a little bit up. Okay, there you go. And I'm going to add a little bit, I like to add poultry seasoning to my potatoes too. So let's see if I can find that. See. And I also have complete seasoning mix. It's called complete seasoning. And I like to add that to my foods. And you know what? That might be good in here. Just a little bit. Just a sprinkle. And some of my rotisserie chicken mix, which I like to put on practically everything I cook. It's one of my favorite seasonings. Okay, I'm going to just turn that a little. Just not stir it for a while so they can get a little bit of a golden coating. Okay, our sausages are cooking nicely. And I hope you guys can see them from there. So we're going to leave those alone so it can get a little bit golden too. Okay guys, the potatoes are done. The sausages are done. Okay, and this is how they turned out. Okay, and our sausages. Go. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to plate a little bit of this. Some of our sausages. Some of the potatoes. Okay, so this is a nice, I feel, easy enough breakfast sausages and breakfast potatoes. Okay, there we go. Okay, and I hope you guys try this and let me know in the comments. Okay, if you have. See you next time.